Hi, everyone. Today I want to talk about the Etsy coupon codes that are being generated automatically by Etsy. And you're looking at it going, why did Etsy make me a coupon? Basically, what it is if you send someone a coupon through the message system that says send them a coupon, and it might be, it's not the favorite or the abandoned cart because you make those codes yourself. And so you can see that coupon code. But sometimes someone will use a coupon code and it shows up and it just looks like a long string of letters and numbers. And you're like, I didn't make that. What it is that's automatically generated by Etsy when you send someone an offer through the make an offer system and they send you and say, I'll give you 20% off of what your price is. And you're like, okay, if you accept that offer, that's one of the reasons that it would show up. So when they place their order, it's going to show discount code and then this long string of numbers that you've never seen. That's automatically generated by Etsy, and that's where it's coming from. The other place that it's coming from is the convos in the messages where it says send people an offer. And you can actually send an offer using that button through Etsy's convo system. If that person uses it, then that's the coupon code that comes up. So those are basically just auto-generated codes. You don't need to worry about it. It's not something that everyone is going to get and be able to use. You don't have to go in and try to edit anything in your sales and discount section. It's just something that Etsy's auto-generating. So give this video a quick thumbs up because it was a quick video. I answered one question. That's it. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you later.